who you wanna be. I make this video because there is a bunch of folks here in Madagascar. They don't know exactly who they wanna be exactly. And today we gonna demystify each one of it, because here is the one first thing which is really important for you if when I'm moving away to going through to get what you want. And that's the reason why I stay in front of this camera to explain it to you, because I think that it is so important to you, and that's the reason why I'm doing this. Okay, just think just a little bit who you want to be. Okay, if you like my t-shirt, can I get like on this video? If you like this, only if I give you value on this video, and if you like this t-shirt. Okay, here we go. If you don't know exactly where you want to go or who you want to be, you never ever get there. That's right. That's right, folks. What I want to say today is you have to understand exactly this is the people who I want to be. I gotta moralize these people. I gotta do all the people, all the person doing in his life, and I will become living the life who is living by now. How to do that? To doing that, first you have to understand who you are, where you are, and then you have to value your time. Spend your time to yourself. Understand who you are exactly, and start doing little by little as that guy doing in his life, step by step. That's all what I mean about that. And you just doing your commitment. But before you doing your commitment, you gotta understand your why, because your why is the most important thing. Your why. If you know exactly this is my why, you never ever back down. You just keep on going. You just do what you do. You never looking at other people. You just looking forward, looking your future. You move away, and then one day you will get there. Okay? You got what I mean? Okay, and you build your brand new habits to imitate the people, and you choose exactly this is my way. I gotta fruit this way, and spend time to yourself and with that person, and you just imitate it. Like me, I know exactly this is the people who I want to be in my life. I make the link below on this video. I moralize that guy, and I do all that guy doing in his life, and now I feel happy. I feel like I'm blessed. All praise to the Most Highest, and God is the greatest. And I'm so happy now because I do what I love, and the fact that I share this video for you, and I invite you guys to do the same thing. And I invite you also to understand who you are, because here on this program we always talking about self-development, self-growth, business, entrepreneur, it kind of thing like that. Okay, if you like this video, make a comment, like this video, share this video to your friend, and don't forget about to check the link below next time again. This is your friend, come from Madagascar,